So, customer service lesson of the day. We get two homeless come in. One of them wants a cigarette, pays for it, and the employee hands it to the friend because the one guy was busy somewhat or whatever the case was. About 5 minutes pass, and the other guy who actually paid for the cigarette runs back in, says he never got the cigarette, making a bunch of noise and getting a lot of attention that we don't need, lots of drama. And I guess the lesson or question is it okay to give a refund or something like that? And answer is almost always yes. You don't want the drama. It's not worth the hassle. You don't know what's happening with the guy next to them. They might have a knife or a gun or just not great in the head, and you want them out of the store or wherever your situation is. If you're in retail or selling things, do the return. Your customers are going to come back. Just get rid of the bad apple and enjoy the rest of your bunch. Ciao.